Hey, hello investors and future investors, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you one of the best option strategies out there and how you can use it to grow your portfolio in a hurry. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. On this channel, we help you with option strategies that give you consistent revenue and everything related to finance and investments. And yes, you too can make money from your living room with options trading, and I will show you how. And all I ask in return for this content is an early thumbs up by you hitting the like button, and consider subscribing for more ways to win with options. Welcome to Investment Gains. Let's jump right into it. So for today's video, we're going to be doing the covered call. Now the covered call is one of the best option strategies out there, and if you're a beginner options trader, I highly recommend you starting off with covered calls. Now, in order for you to do covered calls, you must own 100 shares or more of the stock. So to start off this video, we're going to use Marathon Digital, ticker MARA. Now the reason why I want to use Marathon Digital is that it's paying very high premiums right now. So we're going to take this step by step, and I'll explain the strategy as I go along. So here we are on Mara, and what we're going to do now, we're going to go into trade Mara options. The reason why you want to go into trade Mara option is that it's going to open up the Mara options chain. Now the options chain is where you get a list of options and all the prices. Now that you're on the Mara options chain, what you want to do, you want to go and you want to select sell and call. Now I'm going to give you an inside tip. Whenever you're selling calls, always try to go to the closest strike date to you, which is going to be September 3rd. The reason why you want to use the closest strike date is that theta or time works on your side. So in order for the strategy to be the most effective, you're going to have to choose your strike price above the current share price. Now, as you can see, the current share price is 40.5. So we're going to choose any price above that. For this video, we're going to choose the 42 strike price. And for that, we're going to get $140 or 1.4. As you well know, each option contract is multiplied by 100 shares. Now, before we continue, I'm pretty sure you're asking yourself, how do we choose our strike prices? Well, it's quite easy to choose your strike price. Your strike price is going to be based on the cost in which you purchase 100 shares. So if I purchase 100 shares at $39, I could choose any price above $39. If I purchase 100 shares for $41, then it's in my benefit to choose any price above $41. So let's go ahead. We're going to hit continue. We're going to choose the amount of contract, which is 1. We're going to hit review. And there you have it. So right away, once you do this trade, you're going to receive $140 into your buying power. Now that is yours to keep no matter how this trade goes. That is one of the advantages of the covered call. Now, with the covered call, your trade could go either of two ways. So the first way this trade could go, if on September 3rd, Mara is trading at $42 or below, then you get to keep your $140, and then you get your 100 shares you use as collateral released back to you. Now that you have 100 shares released back to you, you could do this trade the following week for even more revenue. Now, the other way this trade could go, once again, if on September 3rd, Mara is trading at $42 and above, well now, once again, you get to keep your $140 minimum credit. Like I said at the beginning, this is yours to keep no matter what. But then now, you lose your 100 shares. Now, this is a win-win situation, and I'll show you why. Let's say you purchase Mara for $40 and now you sell it for $42. Then you're going to make money with the minimum credit of $140, and you also make money with the difference in the spread. Now, let me explain what the spread means. So you bought it at $40, now you sell it at $42. The difference here is $2. Multiply that by 100, so that's $200. So if you ever assigned this contract at a $42 strike price, you're going to gain $140 plus $200. So in 1 week, you could make as much as $340. If this is not a win-win strategy, then I do not know what a win-win strategy is. Now, in order for the covered call to work in your favor, always try to choose a stock that is trading as flat as possible. If you're more of a risk taker like myself, then you could look for a stock like Mara, which has very high premium, but it's very volatile, meaning it goes up very quickly, it goes down very quickly. Now, we're going to do one more example, but this time we're going to use MVIS. Okay, so here we are on MVIS option chain. Now, assuming we bought MVIS at $14, Now we're going to do our covered call. So once again, sell and call, we're going to choose our strike date just 1 week out. Remember what I told you, why you choose 1 week out. And then now you're going to choose your strike price above the current share price. The current share price is 14.66. So any price above that would be beneficial to you. Now, like I said, we did buy this at $14 per share. Now, in this case, you could even sell it for 14.5. You're still going to make money on the difference on the spread, which is 50 cents. And by choosing a lower strike price, you're going to gain much more revenue. So at a 15.5 strike price, you're going to receive 0.43, but at a 14.5 strike price, that's going to almost double to 0.83. So let's go ahead. We're going to choose the 15.5. We're going to receive 14.3. We hit continue. We choose our amount of contracts, and there you have it once again. So the covered call strategy is, like I said, is one of the best strategies out there. Once you do the strategy, you receive money. First of all, if you are ever assigned, you make money from your minimum credit and also the spread from your cost price and your strike price. Now, we have lots more strategies like this on this channel. So if you want to join the weekly income team, like and subscribe right now. Also, hit the notification bell to get an alert when I post a video. But most importantly, if there's anyone out there you think that can benefit from this content, let's help as many as we can. Please feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching, and remember, always take your investment gains.